Bitcoin cash value equivalent to 7,518.80 rands a coin. The present cost range 72 and 32, 13, 17, 16, 13, 42. The earlier day close 7,531.85. The change was 13.5 to 17%. Reverse rate ZAR to BCH. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for July 2024. At the outset, cost at 6,599 rands. Excessive cost 8,044, while low cost 6,599. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 7,190. Bitcoin cash cost conjecture toward the month's end 75.18 change for July 13.9%. Bitcoin cash conjecture for August 2024. At the outset, cost at 75.18 rands. Excessive cost 75.18, while low cost 6,380. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 7,069. Bitcoin cash cost conjecture toward the month's end 6,860, change for August 8.8%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for September 2024. Before all else, cost at 6,860 rands. Excessive cost 75.75, while low cost 6,583. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 70.24. Bitcoin cash cost conjecture toward the month's end 70.79, change for September 3.2%. Bitcoin cash conjecture for October 2024. Before all else, cost at 70.79 rands. Excessive cost 8,556, while low cost 70.79. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 70,678. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end 79.96, change for October 13%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for November 2024. To start with, cost at 70.96 rands. Exorbitant cost 70.96, while low cost 65.95. They found the middle value of cost 70.420. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end 70.91, change for November 11.3%. Bitcoin cash estimate for December 2024. To start with, cost at 70.91 rands. Exorbitant cost 7,708, while low cost 6,700. They found the middle value of cost 70.176. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end 70.204, change for December 1.6%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for January 2025. First and foremost, cost at 72.4 rands. Exorbitant cost 89.42, while low cost 72.4. They found the middle value of cost 79.27. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end 83.57, change for January 16%. Bitcoin cash estimate for February 2025. First and foremost, cost at 83.57 rands. Exorbitant cost 92.92, while low cost 80.76. They found the middle value of cost 18,602. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end 18,684, change for February 3.9%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for Walk 2025. To start with, cost at 18,684 rands. Exorbitant cost 9,065, while low cost 78.79. They found the middle value of cost 85.25. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end 84.72, change for spring 2.4%. Bitcoin cash figure for April 2025. Initially cost at 84.72 rands. Excessive cost 84.72, while low cost 71.45. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 79.43. Bitcoin cash cost figure toward the month's end 70,683, change for April 9.3%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for May 2025. To start with, cost at 70,683 rands. Exorbitant cost 8,553, while low cost 74.33. They found the middle value of cost 70,916. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end 70.93, change for May 4%. Bitcoin cash gauge for June 2025. In the first place, cost at 79.93 rands. Exorbitant cost 90.21, while low cost 70.93. They found the middle value of cost 8,795. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end 9.72, change for June 16%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for July 2025. In the first place, cost at 9.72 rands. Excessive cost 10.78, while low cost 8,760. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 90,382. Bitcoin cash cost figure toward the month's end 94.19's change for July 16%. Bitcoin cash figure for August 2025. Before all else cost at 94.19 rands. Excessive cost 94.19, while low cost 8,084. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1,804. Bitcoin cash cost figure toward the month's end 18,693, change for August 77%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for September 2025. Initially cost at 18,693 rands. Excessive cost 9,009, while low cost 78.31. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 84.88. Bitcoin cash cost figure toward the month's end 84.20, change for September 3.1%. Bitcoin cash figure for October 2025. Initially cost at 84.20 rands. Excessive cost 99.76, while low cost 84.20. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 19.35. Bitcoin cash cost figure toward the month's end 93.23, change for October 10.7%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for November 2025. At the outset costed 93.23 rands. Excessive cost 93.23, while low cost 73.82. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 8,492. Bitcoin cash cost conjecture toward the month's end 79.38, change for November 14.9%. Bitcoin cash gauge for December 2025. To start with cost at 79.38 rands. Exorbitant cost 9,853, while low cost 79.38. They found the middle value of cost 8,734. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end 19,208, change for December 16%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for January 2026. To start with cost at 19,208 rands. Excessive cost 10,010, while low cost 8,700. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 90,318. Bitcoin cash cost figure toward the month's end 90,355, change for January 16%. Bitcoin cash figure for February 2026. Initially cost at 90,355 rands. Excessive cost 10,170, while low cost 8,840. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 90,468. Bitcoin cash cost figure toward the month's end 9505, change for February 16%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for Walk 2026. At the outset costed 9,505 rands. Excessive cost 10,333, while low cost 89.81. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 19,619. Bitcoin cash cost conjecture toward the month's end 19,657, change for spring 16%. Bitcoin cash conjecture for April 2026. At the outset cost at 19,657 rands. Excessive cost 11,125, while low cost